What's up, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, LadySavage.com.
She hates it when I say it, so now I just make it a point to say it. Anyways, if y'all can recall, we had like this application process that was out there. We were bringing on a bunch of new members to the team. We're super excited about that. One such member is a full-time media person. So basically in charge of all of our podcast, audio content, filming, uploading, and getting that published, and also all of our video content. So all the YouTube videos, we'll obviously be the ones on camera, but having somebody that just takes that, does the setup process for us, edits it, and then uploads it, and then optimizes it from like an analytics standpoint, that's what we've been needing for forever.
We have not had a person to do this job ever.
Yeah, I mean, if y'all can recall, like, our first videos were horrendous. They were literally shot with a black beach towel as the backdrop and a cell phone camera, and it worked. It got the job done, but it was not optimal by any stretch of the imagination. So we're excited to up the quality of all of our content across the board from a educational standpoint, from an entertainment standpoint, and just from a pleasure of viewing standpoint. And I don't have the time or the ability or the know-how to really sink my teeth in and be a full-time professional videographer. So we seeked somebody. Is it seek somebody? Sook somebody. We sought somebody. We sought somebody out, and we have found an amazing person for the job. Are you excited about it?
I'm super excited about it.
So one of the requirements, so to speak, for this position was that we wanted them to come in and just sight unseen do a little workout montage, kind of film us, having never met us before, having not seen the gym, no extra lighting, no extra equipment, just like run and gun shooting. What can you do with that? So we did just that. Chip is his name, came out here, and we just did a workout as normal and let him do his thing with the camera, work his magic, and I think it turned out pretty great. What do you think?
It's pretty awesome. I really love it a lot.
It's better than anything I've ever made from a workout standpoint, and I've made a lot of workout videos. So we're gonna we're gonna throw that footage in right here. Let us know in the description what you think. Be brutally honest. Chip will be reading these comments, so tear them apart if you don't like it. But I think you will. So
I'm super excited about this simply because it will allow Robert and I to be more creative and have fun with all the content that we're putting out rather than having to do all the little pieces all the way through. It'll be super, super helpful. So I'm really, really looking forward to this.
Yeah, in case y'all couldn't tell, a lot of times we're shooting a video the day it's supposed to be published. So like we'll realize, hey, we don't have a video for today. So we'll like think of one off the top of our head and shoot it, film it, upload it, edit it, all that stuff in a matter of hours. And it's just never the best it could be because it's a rushed product. So we're gonna start, getting organized, getting ahead of schedule, having like a backlog of videos that are already done, scheduled, and ready to rock and roll, which is gonna increase our ability to be creative and put out better content. So there's that. Rather than us talking, we're gonna let Chip introduce himself, so y'all get to know him, put a face to a name. But we're excited about it, to say the least. So appreciate y'all.
Hey guys, my name's Chip Simons. I am brand new here to the Savage compound. I've been involved in web and video and film all my adult life. I've worked on a couple of national television shows. I've done some national commercials. I'm also keto again. I originally lost like 60 pounds on keto. It totally changed my life, and so I'm super excited about that. And I am excited about bringing you guys some high quality, entertaining, and informative content. And anyway, I'm glad to be here.